Hi, in this video we'll be building an appointment booking website using WordPress. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so first you'll need to have a WordPress website. If you don't have a WordPress website set up yet, then I'll link a video now, which you can watch first, which will go over building a WordPress website from scratch. So once you do have a WordPress website, then we can get started with adding the booking appointment functionality. So what you want to do is first go to plugins and then add new. So up in the plugins, first you want to do is type in booking. And then you want to install this first one here, booking calendar. So we're going to install now. Okay, and then we're going to activate. Okay, so once it's activated here, then we can look at the plugin here under booking calendar WP. Okay, so we don't have any bookings at the moment. Okay, so these are the settings. So we have the different calendar skins, so you can pick out one of these. Let's just go with the premium light no border one. So you can also watch these videos if you're having trouble with the plugin. Okay, so first let's add the booking form on our website. So to do that, what you want to do is go to pages and then add new. Let's just name this booking, book an appointment. Okay, and then in the block editor, you want to just add the block and just search calendar. Okay, and this one here, the booking calendar. Make sure you use the booking calendar and not the regular calendar. So we're gonna install booking calendar. Then we can configure the block. Okay, so it's just showing the start month, which is the current month, and then the amount of visible months. So it would just be for the current month. Okay, so we don't need the timeline. We just need the actual booking form. So we're going to insert that to the page and then click publish. Okay, so let's view the page. Okay, great. So now we have the time slots here. But if you don't see the time slots, you need to add this in yourself. So let's do that first. So go back to the dashboard and then go to settings here. Go to form. And then it's this one here, the time slots. So by default, it won't have that. And then let's just check the front end, how that looks. So let's just also make the booking form as the front page of the website. You want to go to reading, and then static page, home page is just the book an appointment page. But if this is like a multi-purpose page, then I would set this as just your home page. But this is just a test website, so we can set the home page as the book appointment page just to make it easier to access it. So go to visit site, and then by default, the form will look like this. So you can select a day, and then you would fill in your information here. But we want to make it so that you can select the date plus the time. So to do that, what you want to do is go back into the booking calendar settings, and then go into the form. And then we're going to add a time slot. So what you want to do here is select form field and then click time slot. Yep, and then we're going to make it so that the times are every hour. So you can book an appointment per the hour. So say if you're like a dental clinic or a salon, then you'd either use like 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, so when you have that, then you want to just click save. So add new field. Okay, so the time slot is down here at the bottom, but I would move it up so it's right under the calendar and click save changes. Okay, so let's check the website now. Okay, great. So now we have the time slots here. So now you can click a day. So let's do it on the 17th at 12 p.m. And we're going to fill out our information. Okay, and then click send. Okay, so it takes you to the confirmation page here. And then now let's just check our email, because it also provides email confirmations, which is useful for communication with your customers. Okay, so this is the reservation confirmation. This is going to the email that you filled in the form. So this is for the client. And now let's check the email for the business owner or the admin. So that will look like this. This is the confirmation for the website owner. It tells you also that you have a booking waiting for approval. So with each booking, you need to approve it just to make sure that you're able to fulfill the service. So let's approve the booking. So to do that, you want to just go to your bookings page. And then we're going to see how it's in pending right now. So either you can just reject it or approve. So we're going to approve. Great, so it's approved, and let's just check our email. Great, so when the booking is approved, there's also another email notification that goes to the client that says, your booking has been approved. So once you get more bookings, you can kind of see, you can go here to like the calendar view. So there's different views, the daily view, the weekly view, and the monthly view. So you have you can kind of have an overview of all your appointments. And then of course you gotta adjust your availability. So you can do that here. So right now it's May. So let's say you aren't available to work just one day. We can just click that here and just make that unavailable. And then if we check the form on the website, then you can book on the 18th here. But let's say you're just a normal business that doesn't work maybe Sundays or has the weekends off. We can also do that in the settings, where you would go to the settings and then availability here. You can just click Sunday and Saturdays. You're not available, and that will take into effect for all the future days. So if you click save now, and let's check the form again. And there you go. The weekends aren't available, it's just weekdays. So those are the essential features for the booking calendar. Of course, you can style it and make it in accordance to your brand. So to that, you just go to settings. Okay, so back in the settings, I'll show you how to remove the powered on by notice, because by default, it looks like this, where it shows the powered by app. Usually this is protected by a paywall where you need to pay to remove that, but this plugin allows you to remove it for free. So we'll just do that right now. So what you want to do is just scroll to the bottom. It's kind of hidden. And then you can just turn it off here and then click save. Okay, and then these are the emails for the bookings, so you can edit that as well. So these are the default ones, but you can edit with any other additional content. Maybe you need them to maybe saying something like only accepting cash or something like that, like payments that you accept. You can add in the booking emails. And again here, just the approve one. Once it's approved, these are the contents. These are the short codes for all the data available in the plugin, so you're able to get all the correct dates. So if you want to insert like more detail about like their booking time, so you can do that here. And then there's the sync functionality. So you're able to connected to Google Calendar. So this you would need to enter in your API. So we're not going to go over it in this video, but there is like a short step-by-step guide here. So that's if you want to import your bookings with Google Calendar as well. That's available in the free version. And again, what you can do is just add bookings manually as well here in the admin area. Say if you want to make a booking on behalf of someone else, you can just do that directly here by just going to add bookings. So it's the same form, it's just in the WordPress admin, and then the customer will also receive the notification. So if you have someone in your shop that's looking to make a booking, then you can do that on their behalf. Okay, so this is how you can add booking functionality to your website with just one easy plugin. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to create an appointment booking website for your business. If you'd like help with this from my agency, Maplet Media, then you can click the link in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.